Websites encounter ranking issues with generic AI content generators, but with Blogi, everything changes. It's the first auto-blogging software with dozens of top-notch AI writing models. Before watching how it works, let me give an overview of all the bonuses included with your purchase. You'll receive a WordPress site creation app, plugins, voice-to-text platform, content creation apps, AI copywriting assistant, various apps powered by ChatGPT. You will receive SEO apps, visual content apps powered by ChatGPT, AI video creation software, traffic apps, content and video creation apps, white label and reseller apps, and much more. Get your bonuses by buying the app, logging into JV Zoo, and clicking the bonus pack button. Let's create a new campaign. Add a name, title, blog URL. Enter the login info and application password of your blog, not your WordPress, so that the app can post automatically. Now choose if you want the app publish or make drafts. Enter the keywords you want to use. Step 2. Add a source. Now select Articles to rewrite. Choose how often you want the blog to be updated. Fine-tune the AI by choosing an AI writing model. Choose a language. Add a style sample and personality. You have an option to create images too. Set the word count. Now, the promotion part, you can customize the footer and add links inside articles. Last step, add your email and get a notification when articles are ready and published. Preview articles. You can also choose to rewrite articles. You also have a manual writer. You can find all the OTO links in my review. The link is in the description box. With the bundle, you get all the products in the funnel except the Done For You service. Visit my site for the coupon code. With the front end, you get 5 different AIs and you can connect up to 5 blogs. OTO 1. Access to 9 different AIs. Connects with up to 20 blogs. OTO 2 is the reseller license. OTO 3. Converti app to get more leads, make more sales, and grab better conversions from any blog. OTO 4 is the Done For You service, where they set up everything for you. OTO 5 lets you use over 28 different AIs from one place. Thanks for watching my video.
All right, guys, I'm logged into Blogi right now. And when you log in, the first thing you see is a dashboard. Here in the top graph, you can see the number of articles that were posted each day. So that information is available here. You can see how many articles were written, how many were actually posted, and how many of them were written in the draft mode. And below that, you can see the latest articles that were written by Logi along with their status. For example, this one is in draft mode. And if you're following any website, if you've asked Logi to rewrite the article based on the articles posted on a website, you will see the source URL too over here. Of course, the date written, and you can actually see the article by clicking on the view button. So this was written by Blogi along with everything else, including the image that was generated. So this is how it works. This is very impressive work, and Blogi does it on autopilot. Let's go into campaigns next, and this is where the magic actually happens. You set up a campaign by clicking on Add Campaign. You provide Blogi all the information that it needs to write the articles, and that's it. Everything else is done by Blogi itself. Blogi guides you through the campaign setup using a step-by-step form, and you can just fill in each step to create a complete campaign. I'm going to show you now how to do this. All right, so I have filled in some details like the name. It's going to be a cooking blog, and I put in a topic. I put in a URL. Now this is the test blog that I've set up. And then you need to give Blogi the login and the application password of your WordPress blog so that Blogi can automatically post the articles that it writes to your WordPress blog. It's totally automated. You don't need to do things manually. Blogi will write the articles, it will create the images, and then it will SEO optimize the articles and post them to your blogs. Now I'm going to show you how to get the application password. Go into your blog, go into users, click on the username that you want to use the edit button, and then here you have a button that says application password. Give it a new identifier like Blogi, then click on add new application password. Here's the application pass. Come back and paste the application password. Remember, this is not your actual WordPress password, it's an application password that you create just for blogging. Next, you can choose whether you want to have the posts go live or you want to save them in the draft mode so that you can come back later and look at the posts and approve them for publishing. I'm going to publish them directly because that's the best part. Your blogs are auto bloggers, your blogs are auto published. You don't have to do anything. Then you can tell Blogi the keywords that you want to use. For example, I can use cooking, just press add, recipes, add as many keywords as you want. Here I'm done with my keywords too, and then click on next. This takes you to the second step, choose sources. Now, if you want to target some other website, you want to have Blogi write articles based on another website, you just need to put in the URL. For example, let's say we wanted to use this website and get the latest articles from this website automatically written, rewritten, and posted to Blogi. We could do that. Just take the URL, paste it over here, and then you need to tell Blogi to identify the exact part where the article exists. And that we do using a very cool browser trick. Just press F12 to load up the Chrome developer tools or developer tools in whatever browser you're using. Then use this button to select the exact area where the article exists. So in this case, it's this entire div. Let me show you again. I'm selecting the entire div which has the article, but I'm not selecting all the other random areas, all the extra information which could confuse the AI. So just selecting the article like this, right click on it, copy, and then click on copy selector, come back to Blogi, give it the selector details, then click on plus. And then Blogi will actually find some articles which are on the website. You can choose which articles you want to add in. For example, let's say I just want to put in this one. Click on add, and now that website has been added to the sources. Next step, click on next. Now you can select how often you want your blog to be updated. Blogi gives you quite a bit of control. You can choose things up to every minutes, hours, days, months, or even years. For example, if you want to update your blog on every Sunday, let's say on specific days of the week, you want a new post every Monday and every Thursday at about, let's say, 12 p.m., you could do that. You could even select the number of minutes, let's say 12:30. So you can select exactly what time, what date, what day, month, or year you want to update your blog. Now, typically you would choose the days you want the blog updated on. You could choose the exact days or you could choose weekdays. It's totally up to you. You can even go every day. So there's a lot of power. You can select exactly how you want your blog to be updated. And once you're ready, click on next. Then you can fine tune the AI to create a unique persona of the writer exactly for your blog. You can select the model you want to use. We have quite a few. Right now, I'm going with GPT 3.5. And then you can select the language of the blog. So if your AI model supports multiple languages, for example, this is the choices in Claude, and these are the choices in GPT 3.5. You can choose to create a blog or update your blog in any language you want. And here is the kicker, if you're following another blog, Blogi will automatically translate those posts, rewrite them into your target language, and then post it. This time I'm going to go for English. You can also specify the exact style you want to choose. Let's say you want to keep the blog language casual and friendly. You can put that in. If you want to make it more academic or if you want to make it funny, humorous, whatever tone you want to take, you can put that in. If you want to modulate the style of another writer, let's say you want to keep it like the Gettysburg Address, you could put that in. So any information you want in style, put that in. And if you want, you can even give Blogi a sample of the writing you want to model the articles on. So you could pick up an article that you like, or that you've written already from your blog, put it here, and Blogi will try to match that style. You can even define the personality of the author. So let's say the author is a 35-year-old scientist. It's a cooking channel, so let me make it chef. So you can specify the personality that you want to put in. You can go as detailed as you want. Right now, I have only one sentence, but you can put in as much detail as you want. And Blogi will write the articles from the perspective of this personality. Now, Blogi can automatically create the images for the articles it writes. We have an option right over here, create the images. Click yes, and Blogi will use the best AI right now available for image creation to create custom images for all the articles it posts. It's going to automatically find the right prompt for the article. It's going to give the prompt to AI, create a very unique custom image, infographics, whatever it can do best, and post it alongside the article. The next option is if you are rewriting an article, if you're following another blog, you can choose to rewrite it paragraph by paragraph. If you don't choose to rewrite it paragraph by paragraph, the AI will read the entire article and write its own version of it. But if you want to keep it closer to the original article, you can write the entire article paragraph by paragraph, matching the original. You can also select the target word count, how many words you want, and once you're ready, click on next. Then you can also put in the promotional details in the article by yourself. So the first thing, you can put in a custom footer, you can put in your call to actions, your links, whatever you want over here. So I've put in a very simple call to action: sign up to my list and receive latest recipes in your email. And I've given a link to a form. Now you can choose to rewrite footer by AI each time. So whenever Blogi posts a new article, it's gonna rewrite this footer with AI, and every time the footer will be unique and different. This is a great way to make each article unique, make it stand out, and not even the footer will be the same, right? You can also promote links inside your articles. Just add your links over here, link text and the link to promote, click the plus button, and Blogi will try to put those links inside the article somehow, right? The AI handles that. And if you turn on this option, keep original links, and you're rewriting other articles, Blogi will keep the original links intact. It's not going to remove them. But if you don't want to keep them, you can just click on no, and Blogi will automatically remove those links and post the article without the links from the original source. And this is the queue size. This just maintains the number of articles that Blogi will have ready for your blog. You can keep a queue size of 2 or 4, whatever number you want. It does not matter because Blogi will write new articles in time to meet your schedule. I can keep it 2 for now. Click next. And finally, you can choose to be notified when your articles are written and when they are posted. So anytime Blogi writes an article, it's going to notify you. You will receive an email to whatever email address you specify. For example, my email, you can put it in here. Blogi will send you an email, and then you can click on the link and view the article in case you want to view it. And if when it is published, it's going to inform you again and let you know when the article is published along with a link so that you can review the article. Click on finish, and the campaign is set up. It's going to show up in the list. This is my campaign right over here, the best cooking blog. And the articles are going to be pumped out to your blog. They're going to be published on your blog on full autopilot. Right now, we have a full autopilot campaign. You won't have to do a thing. You just need to watch the traffic come in. You just need to check your blog. That's all. You can see the articles that were written over here. You can see that in our test blog, we have written quite a few articles. These images are generated by AI based on the content you put in. For example, empowering equality. Look at this graphic. It's a very, very apt graphic for this article. And this entire article is written by Blogi. And don't forget, it's not just the article. Blogi also takes care of the SEO. So it's showing you the meta description that it's going to post alongside. It's going to post the meta keywords. It's going to post tags. It will choose the categories. It will create a slug for the article. So when you post the article on WordPress, it will have a very nice SEO friendly slug and the excerpt. So all of this is taken care of. The original article is right over here, but after that, you have all the other information that is very helpful for you to get ranked and get traffic. You can also choose to rewrite any content that you put in. So this is now going a bit manual. If you want to do things a bit manually, you can do that. Just select the campaign where you want to post the article to, and Blogi will also take out all the other information like keywords, links, the personality and style based on the campaign you select the model you want to rewrite with, and just select whether you want to rewrite the content para by para, and just paste your content here. Let me just get something. Just get this little bit, paste it over here, click on rewrite now, and whatever you put in, Blogi is gonna rewrite it and create a new article right then. So here's the new article. It even wrote the meta description, meta keywords, tags, everything is ready for you. And you can just copy it and paste it on your blog. Blogi also has a manual writer in case you want to go 100% manual and write an article with AI assistance. You can do so. Again, select the campaign you want to post to, select the model you want to work with, select the language that you will want to work in, and put in a topic. Let's say making Shahi Paneer. You can put in the topic in any language, that's fine. Put in the style. I'm going to actually go to English because I expect you wouldn't be able to understand if I put in any other language. And if you want to use something keywords, Shahi Paneer, delicious, put that into, click on next, and the writer will create an article right now. Here is my new article, exactly using the keywords, all the details that I wanted to put in. All of them are here. It's a perfectly formatted article with all the details like meta description, meta keywords, and tags and everything else. But the best thing is you can change anything you want. So if I want to change, for example, this paragraph, I'll just click on it and it's going to be shown in the AI tool section where I can rewrite it. There are three tools available. I can either rewrite it, I can expand it. So if I click on expand, it's going to make it longer, or I can put in an image over here, right, wherever I want it, and it will create an image based on the details I provide over here. For example, let's say I want to rewrite this paragraph. So I'll just click this button and Blogi will rewrite this in a different language. It's already done. Copy it over here and I can just replace it like this, as easy as that. So if you want to rewrite this paragraph again, click on the rewrite button. In a matter of seconds, it's rewritten and you can just copy it and paste it. That's how easy it is to create a custom article based on the inputs you want. And creating an image is just as easy. So I'll make some space where I want to place the image, put the cursor over there, and then write the image description. Whatever details you want, you can put in. Click on the image button, and that's it. Our image is ready. You can see how mouth-watering and tempting it is. It's amazing. And you can then post the article right away just by clicking on the publish button, or you can download it to your computer by clicking on download button too. Click on save changes, and whatever changes you've made will be changed. I can download this in the zip format to my PC, save it anywhere you want, or directly publish it to my blog along with the image and everything else. Let's publish this one. Here is the published article on the blog. That's how easy it is to create articles inside of Blogi. In fact, it does it on autopilot, so you don't even need to do anything manually. It's just going to create the articles, create the images, post it on your blog on the topic you specify. And the best thing about following another blog or another website is you're going to get trending content. So if another website is publishing latest trending content, you can just put Blogi on it, and Blogi will automatically pull out the latest content, latest articles, rewrite it, and put that trending content on your blog too in different words using different images. So you will have great new content without having to do anything. That's the power of Blogi. That's how amazing Blogi is. It can take care of your entire content marketing.